Hello everyone, this is Nan. I am here with another video on AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification. Now in this video, in this video I'm going to show you, we are going to work on Identity and Access Management, IAM. IAM is a very important service within AWS. It is used to manage security and permissions to control the use of resources within AWS. So in this video we are going to first of all enable MFA, multi-factor authentication. We'll be working with Authenticator app on our phone, and so we will be creating an account. Later we will be making that a user account. Admin will also assign a password policy, and at the end we are going to create a billing alarm. So let's get started. So here I'm in the console. In the previous video we made this user. Before I can start working with IAM, here one very important point is that make sure that which region are you working in. So we'll start working in US East Virginia region. This is the region where all of the services are deployed first, and then they are all made available on other regions. So I'm going to start working with this region here. Once I change the region, we can go to services, and within the services we need to go down to security. So here let's go down to security here, and I'm going to go to IAM. Now first of all we need to enable MFA on this account, which our root account, to provide it more access. To provide more access to this, more security access to this account. Here it's showing that the root account user for this account does not have multi-factor authentication. You need to enable multi-factor authentication. But before that, basically this is the link that we so this is the sign-in link to URL for the IAM user in this account. If you need to provide this, so when we create a user account, this is the link that we provide to the user so that they can log into the console. Now this comes with this ID. So this is the account ID. In this case you can customize this with a normal with your company name. So here I'm gonna say past trainings, and let's see if I can create this alias. So the alias is created, it's a DNS. Now the URL is pasttrainings.signin.aws.amazon.com/console. So this is changed, and now we are going to enable MFA on this root account. Now once we are here in this, so first of all here we have the password and multi-factor authentication. So I'm gonna activate multi-factor authentication. As soon as you do, there are three different types of MFA you can enable. So you have virtual MFA device, U2F security key, or other hardware MFA devices. For now we're going to use virtual MFA device in this case. Now in here it's so first of all it is providing us with this QR code. You can take a picture and keep that code somewhere safe in case you lose your secret key. You can always use this picture to generate the secret key again. So in this case it's saying that type 2 consecutive MFA codes below. So in order to do this, I need to get to my phone, and within the phone I need to I need to use an Authenticator app. If you don't have an Authenticator app, so Authenticator app would look like, Authenticator app will look like something like this. So let me show it to you here. This is so Authenticator app, which is this app. So you can go to your Google Play Store, or maybe even on iPhone, and download this app. Once you download the app, within the app you can basically scan this code. So I'm gonna go back here, and so I've opened on my phone, and the Authenticator app here. I'm gonna create add new account, and within the new account I'm gonna just I am going to check the code. So I am scanning. So as soon as I scan this QR code, so I'm scanning this QR code, and so as soon as we do, on my phone it gives me Amazon Web Services and it shows me a code, and that code I need to enter it right here. So in my case that code is 717990. So this is one code, and it waits for 15 seconds, and in 15 seconds it will provide another code. And as soon as I get the other code, it's like few more seconds and I am getting the other code. And so that other code I need to enter. So that's the other code, and I can assign MFA. With these two codes, it will basically connect my account, my AWS account with my phone. Now multi-factor authentication is enabled. Now that means every time when I need to log into AWS, I would need to also enter the authenticator code. So let's try this out. So I'm gonna sign out, and as soon as I sign out, I will try to log back into the management console, and in here I am going to use the user account. So okay, the user email address, and here I need to enter the password, and this time it is asking for the MFA code. So I can go back to my Authenticator app and I will enter the most recent code. So this code changes every 10 seconds or 15 seconds. It will verify the code. Actually 30 seconds it's changed. So so I entered the code and I'm logged in. So in this video we've seen that we have logged in, we have enabled MFA, we have activated MFA. Now multi-factor authentic. Multi-factor means that it needs two type of passwords in order to, so that's why it's multi-factor authentication. One factor is your username and password, the other factor is the authenticator code. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another video.